Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Arguetta. I'm one of the tutors at Magic here, and today I'm just going to go over some basic computer terminology to help people that are brand new to computers. So usually at the bottom right of your computer, if you're using a Windows computer, we will not be covering Macintoshes right now, just because we don't have any here at the lab. We mostly use Windows here. Um, So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. You usually see an icon like this at the bottom. It's called the File Explorer. If you don't see it here at the bottom, you can always click the little Windows Start button here at the bottom left, and you can just begin typing, and you can type File Explorer, and it should pop up. So when you click it to open, you'll usually be greeted to your quick access, which is like you can assign your shortcuts here. But we just want to go to this PC because this is where sort of like a centralized hub of where all the files on your computer are. And files, I have a little picture here, are basically every folder in uh, on your computer or on the school's computers. File, this is a file, this is a file, this is a file, everything is a file. And the way Windows sorts files is by putting them in little folders. You have pictures of folders here, but I got a picture of real life folders just to show you that that's kind of what they're trying to convey here. Um, so now we can talk about the sort of filing cabinets that Windows have, which is these things in real life. And the C drive, by default, is the filing cabinet that every computer ever has. So there's always going to be a C sort of filing cabinet. The school has a few shared filing cabinets. I have Data 1, which lets me access any of the computer's files on the school campus. And if you're a student here, which I'm assuming you are if you're watching this video, you should have a filing cabinet, so to speak, with your name on it. And that's going to have all kinds of folders that you put in there. Usually starts empty, and as you go on, you put whatever you want in it. And of course, inside those folders are files. So that's a very basic structure of how um, computers are structured, I guess, so to speak. I'm sure you saw me use these buttons up here. You'll be using those very often because sometimes you want to go from where you are back to where you originally were, and vice versa. Sometimes you want to go back to a previous folder. Um, so the second thing I'm going to cover before we end this video is how to make your own folder uh, so that you can start putting files in it. And you want to do that by right-clicking. Right-clicking is on your mouse. Usually lay two fingers on your mouse. One clicks the left button, and the other one clicks the right button. So you're clicking the right button on your mouse to get this little menu here. And from there, you can go to New, and it'll give you all kinds of file options, but it'll also give you the folder option. From there, you can click Folder, and I would recommend you name it something so that you can remember what's inside, like student work. And then, putting in a file or saving a file is something we'll cover in the next video. But for now, that's the start of how to begin managing all your saved work at Magic. All right, this has just been part one of hopefully a little computer tutorial playlist. I'll see you in the next part where we're going to talk about saving files.